2025 Prelim TNS School Paper 1 Booklet A, Question 11. Some students were asked to choose their favorite hobby. The pie chart represents their choices. Which hobby was chosen by 1/5 of the student? Now we are given the number for all the hobbies except cycling. Cycling is 90 degrees. 90 over the full circle 360. That's actually 1/4. Alright, so the rest will add up 3/4 of the circle. Okay, so let's find 3/4 of pie chart. That will equals to 30 plus 48 plus 62 plus 40. Okay, this will give us 180. So 3/4 of the pie chart is 180. Let's find the whole pie chart. That means the total number of students. Okay, 180 divided by 3 units, 3 parts, multiplied by 4 parts. Alright, that will give us 60 times 4, which is 240. 240 is the total number of students. We want to know which hobby was chosen by 1/5. How many is 1/5? Let's calculate, okay? 1/5 multiplied by 240. Okay, that gives us 48. So which hobby has 48 students? Reading here. So our answer is option number 4.